Recently, the number of laser shows has escalated in festivals and occasions, so the health of the eyes can be damaged. Looking into the laser light can cause serious eye injury and permanent vision loss. In the past, many patients have come to the ophthalmologist with bleeding in the eye and swelling of the retina. If the laser falls directly on the delicate blood vessels on the retina of the eye, there is a risk of bleeding, impaired vision and blindness at times. According to the report of the American Academy of Ophthalmology, laser light with a power greater than 5 mW can cause damage to the retina and permanent blindness. The beam of laser light should be directed upwards or towards the sky so that it does not enter people's eyes. Injuries on the front of the eye, intolerance to light, impaired vision, watery eyes and other symptoms can be seen. Laser is a double-edged sword. It is useful only if it is used correctly, for the right tasks, at the right time and for the right duration, otherwise one has to suffer the side effects for life. Eye damage can be avoided by following guidelines as follows. Laser light should be less than 5 mW. Stay away from the laser light, taking care not to get the laser light directly into the eyes. Children need special care. The beam of laser light should be directed upwards or towards the sky so that it does not enter people's eyes directly. Registration of laser shows and compliance of guidelines should be enforced. Anyone with eye complaints due to laser light should be treated immediately with the advice of an ophthalmologist. This presentation has been published for public awareness by Maharashtra Ophthalmological Society.